Nakuphila sifinyelela khona emakhaya sinibingelele sinamukele tindzaba enteswati State Flap Khoma like SABC sise Auckland Park eJozi.
We should stop running to other countries. We should discuss our own problems here and find solutions.
Bosopolitiki kuleli bafuna ukuthi uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa athathele iAfriForum tinyathelo kulandela lihambo lwayo laseMelika.
He's repeating what he promised the last one.
They spoke about building dams. Where are the dams today?
They have done as government for the past 8 months. In our point of view, very little.
Kuthuthukiswa kwenhlalo nemnotho kube ingcenye yenkulumo yebunjalo besifundza eMpumalanga lethulwe nguNdunankulu Mandlandlovu lamuhla. Ongemehlo athenjwa kuMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa kuthathathele iAfriForum tinyathelo ngelihambo lwayo laseMelika. iAfriForum neSolidarity bebahambele emalunga embuso waDonald Trump eMelika kulandzela tiphumiselo taTrump tekuncamula umnikelo wetinsita tekulwisana neligciwane lengculazi. Bosopolitiki kuleli bathi kufuze lamaqembu athathelwe tinyathelo njengoba bekukhombisa ukuthi anyembenya uhulumende wakuleli.
Kulandzela kusayinwa kwemthetho wokuthathwa kwemhlaba ngaphandle kwesinciphetelo, iNingizimu Afrika ibone kufinyelela kwesandla seMelika kuniketa isitolo letimali etinhlelweni te-USAID nalezi tekulwisana neligciwane lesandla lengculazi. Nanobe lesinyathelo sakamva seMelika sinemithelo yahlukenele ngasiyo lemihle noko, luvakashelo kamva lwe-AfriForum neSolidarity kwangathi nalo lungeta kuleyo mithelela. Mengameli Cyril Ramaphosa usigcikile sento saletinhlangano letimbili.
We need to be sending a clear message to them that as far as we are concerned, as proud South Africans, we prefer that we should all stay here and solve our problems. And already what they are doing has spawned divisions in our nation.
We
therefore call on all South Africans to isolate these right-wing racists and focus on together tackling our challenges as a resilient nation working with our communities together. Above all, South Africa has a democratic constitution on the basis of which government is formed.
Their
actions are a direct threat to the stability and sovereignty of South Africa. They must be treated as such.
ANC itsitigaba letisiphohlongo letiku Freedom Charter sevele tendiwe kanti ke kuselele timbili letsinza umhlaba nekucedza kungalingani emkhatsini kwalabacaphuna kusale nalaba labadla imbuya ngeluthi lokhu kutangemva ukuthi leli selihambe iminyaka le-17 kusukela lasebenzisa lo mculo.
IPAC yaphumela ebaleni yaveta ukuthi ihambisana imiculo lecukethwe imininingwane yemigomo yentando lenyenti pheceleti iFreedom Charter. Lenhlangano ifuna ukuthi umhlaba ubuyiselwe kubanikati bemtsabo. Ivete ukuthi ayihambisane isigaba lesithi umhlaba kufuze unikwe labo labasebenzako. Ithi lesigaba lesisinyembenya abantu belibalela iminyama labanikati balomhlaba. Noma ngabe takhamuti takuleli daba ingcenye isinqumo sekusebenzisa lemiculo ukuthi ibe ingcenye kuphatha lelive kepha kuthi made kube ngunyalo ithathwa njengemiculo ye-ANC. Sihlala we-ANC Gwede Mandashe uthi balicembu bakhonile kubusa ngokulandzela umthetho lokucethwe ngule miculo. Uyagcizela ukuthi timbili tigaba kuleti 10 letisabukisiswa.
We have 2 clauses that are work in progress. One of them is the land question, the second one is the wealth.
Njengobe sewusayiniwe lo mthetho wokubuyiselwa kwemihlaba kubanikati bemtsabo kamuva nje mabhala nejikelelo we-ANC ifikile embalula uthi kancane kancane batawugcine bende konke lokucethwe yi-Freedom Charter.
If you take land and wealth, we are implementing that within the framework of economic transformation. That is why we have repealed the Act of 1975 and introduced the Act of Land Expropriation. That on its own is the implementation of the Freedom Charter.
Ngekusho kwemihlatiwe tepolitiki Mwelethi Mbeki kubonakala kwangathi kunyeni lesekwendiwe kuloko lokucethwe iFreedom Charter.
A lot of what the Freedom Charter wanted to be achieved has been achieved. For example, the people shall govern.
Njengoba iFreedom Charter icukethe igaba letilishumi letikhuluma ngamalungelo eluntu, similo kayene kulingana ngaphambi kwemithetho nekutfolakala kwemihlaba kayene kuba nempahla kulokunye iFreedom Charter ngiyo bengumhlahlandlela kule live nalenda ukuthi kugcina kuhlonishwa umthetho sisekelo wale live.
Nanobe gabe sekuphele iminyaka lelishumi kusikela kwabane embhikisho yekulola imfundo yamahhala emanyuvesi akuleli ti-student solo tikhala ngekungatfoli lichaso lwe-NSFAS netindzawo tekuhlala ti-student tithi tifuna kubona kwehliswa imali letikhokha emanyuvesi nahulumende anyise imali lachasa ngayo emanyuvesi.
Ngesikhathi kubhikisha ti-student nga-2015 tithenjiswa ukuthi angeke ikhuliswe imali yekufundza yanga-2016 kwendeka ingwijikhwebu ngesikhathi uhulumeni wametela ukuthi imali yekufundza emanyuvesi iyokhula nga-8% kumnyaka wa-2017. Noma kunjalo inyuvesi ngenyuvesi yothathela yona sinqumo sekuthi ikhulisa ngamalini. Mabhalane jikele we-MK Floyd Mlohola ngulona mengameli Jacob Zuma ukhumbula kahle ngaloko lokwendeka.
When there was Fees Must Fall movement, Bongikosi Khanyile ICA was part of the Fees Must Fall movement. First, the reaction of government under President Zuma was to put in place a commission of inquiry to investigate methods of how we can introduce, or South Africa can introduce, fee-free education at higher education level.
Njengoba sekuhambe iminyaka lelishumi lebekashoshovu ku-Fees Must Fall Hasiya Hassan lebekenda tifundo takhe enyuvesi yaseWits uthi kukhona umehluko lokhona.
In the time in which we led Fees Must Fall in the 2016-2017 financial year, at that time we had 7.2 billion for NSFAS. Now in the 24-25 financial year, there's over 50 billion rand that's been allocated to NSFAS.
Kusenja likomiti libukete imfundo eParliament linembono wekuthi imfundo yamahhala kumele iniwe labo labadla imbuya ngeluthi nalabo labasebenza kuphela kepha labo lekuthi bangakhona ukuthi ibhadalela kumele babhadale.
I believe free education must be to the poor and the working class.
Kuyacaca ukuthi kuyadzingeka kubambisana emkhatsini kwahulumeni kanye netinkampani letitimele kude kutfola isisombululo esingenamkhawulo sekulungisa tingqinamba letihlasele temfundo lephakeme.
Bondvunankulu betfundza kuleli bayachubeka nekwetfula tinkulumo tebunjalo betfundza lababusa kuto. Konke lokhu kwendeka nje takhamuti tikhala ngetifiso netifiso letitsenjiswa tona kepha tingafezwa. Kubuka loludzaba samukela umhlati wetemnotfo Bongani Mahlangu. Mahlangu sikubingelele sikwamukele tindzabeni teSiswati.
Ngingathanda ukunibingelela lapha e-studio nababukeli emakhaya.
Mahlangu, bondvunankulu bavete tetsembiso letahlukene letidzinga imali nabetfula tinkulumo tebunjalo besifundza. Ingabe batayitfola phi le mali yekufeza letsembiso?
Ngiyabonga. So into ekumele sikhumbule ukuthi i-pitch zama premier zikhuluma on a wide range of issues. My issues with politics, economics, social issues. And then his speech is aga minister or we finance nama MEC we finance eshoyo ukuthi imali izosebenza kanjani, imali izo-allocatewa kuphi. So bona bangawenza lama broad pronouncement but ileso speech esifaka i-detail ukuthi imali izobuyaphi and imali izokuyaphi. However, noma kunenkinga zemali e-level national but ama-province nawo anayo lento bayibiza ngokuthi i-own revenue generation. Kusho ukuthi la azenzela khona imali from within leyo province leyo. For example, ama-province njengabo-province anjengabo Mpumalanga anabo mega. Abo mega ama-revenue generating entities and le revenue abayi-generatayo towards ilona i-fiscal framework ye-Mpumalanga province. So abaka-dependi kuphela from ama-allocations we-national via i-division of revenue, i-DORA, but also nabo bayazenzela imali yabo. And now tuyacheka kule pitch eziningi ezikhulunywayo ilama premier lawo. Amanye ama-project adinga imali akusiyo imali ebuya ku-government. For example, khona laba mention khona ama-build, operate and transfer i-private sector. Khona laba khuluma khona ngabo public private partnership shuthi nabo nje bayikhona i-contribution encane abayenzayo then the rest ibuya ku-private sector. And then khona namanye ama-players futhi nawo a-contributor ukufunda lama project lawo. So hayi ukuthi yonke lento bakhulume ngazo zizobuya esikhwameni saka-government.
Mahlangu sivile kunemahlebede ukuthi ngahle kwenteke kukhuphuke inzela kude uhulumende akhone ukuthi akhone kulekelela kwetfula kwetinsita. Ingabe ke uma ngabe kungeke kukhushule lenzela ingabe ngiyiphi indlela locabanga ukuthi uhulumende angayisebenzisa kutfola imali kude kufezeke natithembiso?
Alright, indlela ziningi. Khona indlela ezidingaka manje in the immediate, khona indlela ezingayenzeka in the long run. So ngizovele ngizihlanganise. For one, if we are checka ugovernment wethu angavala ama leakages existayo ku budget ye state. Ama leakages isikhuluma ngani? Abo fruitless and wasteful expenditure. Ya Auditor General uyasitshela unyaka nonyaka ku-national government nama-provinces kuba about over 50 billion rand ekuchithekayo from i-fruitless and wasteful expenditure. Ukuvala just leyo gap leyo nga-50% isikhona ukusave about 25 to 30 billion rand. That's immediate, but idinga ukuzimisela ku-government. I-reprioritization yama-existing budget. For example, imali eningi 60% ye-budget ya last year iye towards non-interest generating expenditure. Shukuthi ibiza nge-social expenditure. So now increase kancane lana ku-interest bearing expenditure, and then if leyo interest izoba generated in the short run, uyakhona ukuthi ugenerate revenue yokuthi uvale isikhala ukuthi by the time unyaka uphela imali uzabe uyenzile. Sikhuluma ngamanye ama-leakages enzekayo ku-economy yethu afana nawo ama-illicit capital outflows, afana nabo illegal mining. Ugovernment angachecka nokuthi utaxa amanye ama-bracket kanjani or amanye ama-tax category njengabo capital gains tax. Angachecka ilona ama-wealth tax. So kuningi angakwenza ngoba ngazilista, but khona indlela yokuthi amenuve ikhona. And inkinga futhi akusina ukuboleka ukuthi i-government yethu iboleka kakhulu and i-debt to GDP yethu iphezulu, but ukuthi ubolekela ini nawuzoboleka imali for ilona i-social expenditure, i-consumption expenditure la nganama-interest khona vele abantu bangaphandle sesikhuluma ngama-foreign capital markets, even nama-domestic capital markets ayakafuna ukuboleka leyo mali. Mara phezu kwalokho nawuchecka i-South African Reserve Banks Act section 10 subsection F or 10F iyakhuluma ukuthi i-South African Reserve Bank yakhona ukuboleka ugovernment imali at zero interest, and nayo le enye indlela engakayiza ugovernment or i-Reserve Bank bakhuluma ngayo, and lapho uboleka imali from ugovernment for i-government programs, and hopefully bangaboleka leyo mali for ama-investment expenditure baceda le mali ekhona already bayisebenzise for ilona i-non-interest consumption.
Mahlangu asibonge kakhulu isikhathi sakho. Ngibonga ni Mahlangu umhlati wetemnotfo. Kuthuthukiswa kwenhlalo nemnotho kube ingcenye yenkulumo yebunjalo besifundza leyethulwe nguNdunankulu Mandla Ndlovu. Ndlovu uphinze wethembisa kuqinisa sandla ekulwisaneni nekuhlukumeta ngobulili kulesifundza. Sifundza iMpumalanga siyingcenye yaletinye letibe nesibalo lesetulu semacala egagadlela ikoteni yesithathu yeminyaka kanti utsinze nelisaba lokwethulwa kwetinsita.
Mvunankulu Mandla Ndlovu wethule inkulumo yobunjalo besifundza namuhla utsinze lokumgcoka kuhulumende wesifundza kusukela ekwakheni umnotho kuthola tinsita letifaka ekhatsi tetempilo. Ndlovu uphinze wathatha lithuba watsinza imiphumela ngekuphatha kwakhe.
Water is a challenge. I accept that it is a challenge. We did not say that everybody in Mpumalanga or every household in Mpumalanga is getting water. We said 87%. We have got 13% of households that they are not having access to clean water.
Hulumende wesifundza usayine isivumelwano netinhlangano letitimele ngenhloso yokunonophisa luhlelo lokuvula emathuba emsebenzi. Ndlovu memedele ukuthi iMpumalanga International Fresh Produce Market leyabita 2 billion wemarandi lebesolo yakhiwa iminyakeni lengetulu kwelishumi itawuvulwa ngenyanga yamabasa. Kunelithemba lwekuthi le makethe itawuchumanisa abalimi baseMpumalanga netimakethe letinkulu.
The instruction that I have given the Department of Agriculture and Public Works and the DED is that we want them to complete that project, and the deadline is the end of April.
Avete imibono leyehlukene emacembe epolitiki mayelana nenkulumo yaNdunankulu.
He's repeating what he promised the last SONA 2024. Issues the bridges, Emalahleni, he mentioned the same thing. Issues, I mean, it's just promises.
They spoke about building terms, Where are the dams today? They spoke about building the ICC. There's no ICC today. There is the whole list of water projects that are incomplete, that is saying they are going to be incomplete. There's a crisis of water current.
In our point of view, very little and not accurate, because he spoke about projects that are finished, that we know are not finished and are not operationalized.
Umhlelembisi wesifundza ecenjini le-MK Mary Padi uye waniketa incwadi yokucosha emsebentini naseseku red carpet.
Kuletinye ke nasibuye titolo. Bakhasatekile baphathi betiphaza ngelihlelo lahulumende lokubhalisa tiphaza njengoba lamuhla lilanga lekugcina. Asikwamukele mbukele esigabeni sesibili setindzaba tesiswati la SABC nasanza ngena ukhethe kahle hlala nasi sisekhona. Tinkulungwane tebanikati betiphaza kuleli tiphume umkhankaso tigijimisa umncamlajuqi walamuhla wekubhalisa tiphaza tabo tihlangabetana netinkinga letinyenti letifake ekhatsi kungabi nemaphepha lafanele lafunekako. Lokho kuta ngemva kokuthi uhulumende ancuse bonke banikati betiphaza nalaba labathengisa etaladini ukuthi babhalise emabhizinisi abo kubumasipala ngemva kokuthi lishone njile lalamuhla.
Bosomabhizinisi bathi lolu hlelo lokubhalisa tiphaza luthatha isikhathi lesithe futhi awunabulungiswa nalomncamlajuqi walomuhla. Bathi balahlekelwe na imali lenyenti batama kubhalisa futhi basalinze netitifiketi tabo.
It's a bit expensive to register a tax shop when you are a startup. So all what we love government to assist with, it's maybe assist the startups with maybe some assistance in terms of registrations.
Rather the last minute thing. We take things simple. We want to see action first. Then that's where we'll take action to say this is serious. We need to go there.
Masipala waseLimpopo uthi linyenti lebanikati betiphaza kulesifundza lilandzele tonke tinhlelo tekucinisekisa ukuthi tiyathobela umthetho wekubhalisa tiphaza tabo.
Our team is already on site assessing physically on the properties that have applied to see if indeed what's captured in the form is what is happening on ground.
Umphathiswa weTetimali Free State uthi bathole ticelo lotingu 7,521 kusukela ngenyanga yeLweti eminyakeni lowengcile kanzi kucinisekiswe letingu 641 kuphela.
From us as the Free Staters now, we are very much comfortable about the work that has been done in relation to the registration.
Labo labangakatholi titifiketi tekusebenta ngenxa yokungalandzeli umthetho emafikeng eNorthwest bacelela usito kude batochubeka bathengise.
When I arrived there by the district municipality, they reversed me. They say you have to go and do this and this and this, and then all those things. They want another cash from us.
Indvuna yelitiko letekubusa ngekuhlanganyela netindzaba tendzabuko vele Nkosini Hlabisa uthi uyatibophelele kubuyiseni esimeni lesifanele umnotho wasemalokishini nasemakhaya.
Kanzike timakethe tetimali irandi lehlile naliqisaniswa netimali takulabanye emave. Lomdlalo ekulinzeleke kusokuqala nakugabanya insimbi yesithathu ntsambama kanzi utawudlalelwa eLucas Moripe Stadium ePitoli aphelile amathikithi alomdlalo. Ikhasi lethu leFacebook selungile netihloko temibono setiyatfolakala. Namhla sikubutile kembukeli ukuthi njengoba iMamelodi Sundowns itawube itfole netulu neKaizer Chiefs kusasa, ingabe yini lo elinzeleke kulomdlalo na umbono wakhe yalandzela?
Mina indvo lengiyilindzele tukomdlalo tuke-Sundowns neliqembu le-Kaizer Chiefs ngilindzele ukuthi i-Sundowns yento lento ledume ngayo ngabo-4 ngiyabona.
Kulo mdlalo wangomso phakathi kwe-Sundowns ne-Kaizer Chiefs kuba ndilibhakaniya ndithi i-Kaizer Chiefs ndiyayicela ke ndibethele i-Sundowns ngilindele i-Kaizer Chiefs ke iphumelele noko i-Sundowns ke phulukane namanqaku noba mathathu nathi sizokwazi ukuvala le gap ivulileyo.
Bokungaba kuhle nje ukuthi nayo iChiefs ke iwine nje kulamalanga phela ke isijabulise ngoba phela sibeka ithemba bese yasiphoqa. Bokungaba kuhle nje impela nathi ke sijabule ke siphakamise imini ngesithi hawu mina naphezulu emakhosini.
Love and peace. Thina sibafana belikhosi sifuna ukukhomba iSundowns ukuthi sitoyishaya sisihlehlebula ngeke imbone lo 4-0 le yashaya ngayo iPirates. Thina elikhosi love and peace.
Hayi mkhashi ayigubi impela kusasa. Yabona iChiefs mayingatholanga 6 eyobe ithandazile ngempela. Shapa sandawana shapa.
Lona ke ngumbono we-SABC, umbono wembukeli SABC ngeke yethweswa kudiphendulela ngawo. Kanziti yagucana mbukeli talamuhla siphindze sihlangane ngalokutako impela sonto ayibe ngilenhle nalephephile. Bukela kube ngilokuhle.